One good thing about music is when it hits, you feel no pain. One good thing about music is when it hits, you feel no pain. So hit me with music, whoa, hit me with music now. Hit me with music, brutalize me with music. We took this trip to Garden Grove. It smelled like Lou Dog inside the van. Oh yeah, this ain't no funky reggae party. $5 at the door. It gets so real sometimes. Who wrote my rhymes? Got my microwave, I got my VCR. I've got the deuce in the trunk of my car. Oh yeah. Ring the alarm, 'cause now the sound is dying. Whoa, hey. Ring the alarm, and now the sound is suffering. Whoa. Ring the alarm, 'cause now the sound is dying. Whoa. Ring the alarm, and now the sound is, and now the sound is, yes now the sound is, and now the sound is. What did you say? 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 What did you say?